thanks for coming to my video. This is my order from the Coffee Monsters Co. I went on vacation, so yeah, it arrived when I was in Asia. Let's see what we have here. Your order was packed by Cynthia. Thanks, Cynthia. Ooh, this is the anniversary haul. So we have a birthday washi. I have too many, so I'm just getting the ones I don't have. I think this is called the artsy desk or something like that. It's got silver foil. Oh, they're both silver foil. Ooh, got it. Oh, it's like really sturdy. It's really thick. Look at this. I thought it was two. I was thinking like, oh, I didn't buy two. Put this one. Acrylic ruler. Be cautious around birds. So random. Okay. We have a "You Are Doing Great" stamp. Ooh. Oh wait, is this? Let's see. Ooh, what's this? Ooh! Oh, this is so cute. What's in here? I'll keep this open. I made two big orders pretty close together. Maybe I'll hold this down like that. Ooh, chips. That's me. Error. Can't function. Cancel the day. Drink water. Oh. I can't hear you. I'm reading. Oops, stuck to me. Whoop. Oops. This one's super cute too. Okay. We have those sticky notes. Sure. Maybe I'll take it out of the bag so it doesn't reflect. There. This is the monthly freebie. Feeling lost. Ooh, that's baking. A toilet paper checklist. That's so cute. Ooh, oh, it's huge. Oh, it's a journaling. It's the bean card. What happens if you have too much alphabet soup? Vowel movements. Okay. So here we have cell phone. Speech bubble. TV. Meal. Drinks. Music note for when I practice piano. There's a microphone for when I stream. And I have decluttering emojis, spring cleaning emojis. Ooh, this one. Grocery bag doodles. Organizing stickers. Parcel. For, you know, when you get your Amazon packages or more coffee monsters. Then we have picnic. Oh, house doodles for when I visit my parents. Ooh, shopping mall. I love this food court one. I wish there was like a sheet with all the food courts. And there's family eating, shopping bag. Yay stickers. I usually use this one for when I play video games. Ooh. Can I do that? Yikes. Yikes. Then have these ticket doodles, noodles. Have 3 emojis. Should put that over here. Oh, bucket list. So there's the anniversary sale, and then there's Helen's birthday, and then these are the 2 that are the most important to me. And there's meal prepping. 2 of these? Yes. Yes, I do. Oh, meeting. That's really good. Really important for me. Then there is the date, the numbers, organizing stickers, and washi tapes and things. We have little laptops, a couple of these pianos because I need to practice my piano. I have these cleaning ninjas that I love so much. Suitcase for when I go to Edmonton to visit my brother and his family. And these 2, I know it's like supposed to be for books, like book genres, but I use these to mark down when I'm recording. And last but not least, dim sum. Awesome, awesome. Maybe I should put one up here. Wow. So many stickers. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this unpacking. Let me know down below if you also purchased and what you got. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.